Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Meowdoku notifications for your daily puzzle or new updates anymore? Here is exactly where to turn them back on. Go to your iPhone settings and then scroll down through your installed app list until you see Meowdoku, or just go ahead and directly search for the app. Once you find the app, tap on it and then tap notifications and make sure allow notifications is toggled on. If it's grayed, tap on it to turn it on. Then check the alerts tab below and make sure that it is set to banners and or alerts, not none, since none means notifications are technically allowed but nothing will actually show on your screen. Turn on sounds and badges as well. Now scroll back to the top of settings or scroll down and find focus. Go through each focus mode you use. Tap apps under each one and make sure Meowdoku is not listed in silent app list. Since Meowdoku refreshes a new daily puzzle every day, getting these notifications working is the easiest way to remember your daily seed going. So all you've got to do is go to the settings, go to Meowdoku, allow notifications on, set style to banners and check your focus modes. Daily puzzles alerts will come through and that's it. Subscribe.